Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make ghee from store-bought butter. So first take a saucepan on medium heat and add butter to it and let the butter get melted. Make sure that the butter is at room temperature. So the butter started melting. So keep stirring in between so that the butter doesn't get burned. Make sure the heat is on medium. It is completely melted. Keep cooking the butter on medium heat. As the butter starts cooking, in the initial stages you can see that there is a formation of thick white foam. In couple of minutes the white foam starts to break, and also as you can see in the butter there are some white particles. Those are the milk solids. If you are trying to make ghee for the first time, then cook it on medium to low heat. This way you will not overcook the ghee. So as you can see, within couple of minutes the white foam started to break. A couple of minutes, as you can see, the white foam is almost gone. See, the foam is completely gone, but the butter is still watery. So keep cooking. So the butter has started bubbling and also has become clear. You can see the bottom of the pan. So this means our ghee is almost done. So keep a close eye. So in the next few minutes ghee will be ready. So at this point you can see the butter has started bubbling. That means our ghee is ready. And also you can tell from the nice aroma from the ghee. So turn off the heat and put the pan aside from the stove. If you are not sure if your ghee is done or not, then check for these golden milk solids. If you can see these golden bits, then your ghee is ready. My beautiful golden ghee is ready. So I am going to let it completely cool before transferring into a jar. Strain the ghee using a mesh strainer or a cheesecloth, and once the ghee cools down it will have a nice spreadable consistency. You don't have to throw away the milk solids, you can eat it with sugar or rice. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have found this video helpful, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again with a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.